looks amazing. Oh my gosh, looks so much smaller. The front we're gonna drop about 1/2 inch. We got like 2 fingers. The back, I didn't look at it honestly yet. The back looks pretty good. It's about 1.5 fingers.
Yeah, it's lower.
Back's pretty good. It looks sick. I'm so excited. Plus these struts were actually blown out and nasty, so it's gonna handle so much better.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
We'll drop to where it says 1.5 inches.
Yeah, obviously I don't think like the depth and as long as you're flexible with when you need it done, then that's cool. How many miles are on now? 97.
First drive with the coils on. No more blown strut, no more clunking. Oh my god. Handles like a
Huge
difference. Oh my gosh. I tried to get as much footage for you guys as I could. I didn't want to be in my buddy's face recording and everything. We also did brake pads, and my exhaust used to hit the tunnel and rattle. So we got a silicone cartboy extended exhaust hanger. So no more rattle. Those are the brakes.
It's because we got no backseat, you guys can hear it.
Yeah, and you can hear a lot more.
Yeah.
Dude, gutted race car. But oh my god, I'm gonna get a couple of cinematic shots maybe at home or in a parking lot or tomorrow.
Yeah.
But oh, so happy. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.